Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time. It's time for the lightning round. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Ski dad. Time for the lightning round. Let's start with Jonathan in New York. Jonathan.
Booyah, Jim, from your own home state. My question is about a company that's reinventing itself, BlackBerry.
You know, it's been reinventing itself for so long that I've forgotten about how it's been reinventing. Each time it's different guys. All I can tell you is during this whole way, had you just bought Apple, how much better would you have done? So I'm suggesting sell BlackBerry and buy Apple. I need to go to Mark in Wisconsin. Mark.
Jim, I've got a stock for you in the EV sector. The name of the company is Blink, ticker BLNK.
Charging. Blink charging. Yeah, we just did a charge point the other day. There's so many of these. We're going to have to cover every single one of them. But I've got to tell you, I would say that there are too many of them, and you got to be very, very careful. Although you got one tonight that we do think represents some value. I need to go to Mark in Florida, please. Mark.
Hi, Jim. It's a pleasure to speak with you. I owe you a great deal of thanks for all the insight you've generously shared over the years and for your excellent recommendation of Palantir Technologies, which I bought the day it came public and sold 2 days ago for 156% profit.
Well, you know, what happened with Palantir is that, as I saw with Spotify and I saw with Google, when they do these kinds of, and also with Slack, by the way, not that successful until the other day, they do these kinds of deals where they just throw the stock out there. You don't get that kind of roadshow fanfare, and the stocks tend to be undervalued. At this point, you're right. You took the double and you went on, and I'm not afraid of that. But I do think that when you see these actually just the throw-out ones, no IPO, although I'm trying to figure out the SPACs, you got to buy them. And Palantir was a good example of that. Let's go to Steve in Texas, please. Steve.
Booyah from beautiful Possum Kingdom Lake, Texas, Jim. I'm calling you about a stock that is used by boomers to millennials to high school students, and that stock, as you may have probably guessed, is PayPal.
Yeah, PayPal works. What can I say? I left it. Caught the double for ActionAlertsPlus.com and moved on. Then it doubled again, and I got to tell you, that's because Dan Schulman understands how people worldwide want to bank. It's the bank of the future. We talk about Square, PayPal similar, PayPal bigger base. I think the stock can go higher still. James in Indiana. James.
Booyah, Dr. Cramer. Love your show, read your book.
All right, what's going on?
Yeah, I'd like to take on Chewy, and I wish you happy holidays.
Oh, same to you. Same to you. Which one was it? Chewy. You know what? Chewy's like Wayfair. It's really hard to value unless you use them and have the customer service, and they send you a picture of your dog that passed away. And I'm partial to Chewy because I think it's just a terrific way to get pet food. But the stock has run up a lot, and it's a little too expensive for me at these points. Let's go to Phil in Illinois. Phil.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah,
My stock is Viva Systems.
People didn't like the quarter yesterday, and that causes me to think what we ought to do is just bring Viva on rather than make a snap judgment, because it's been such an unbelievable performer over the years. I'm not willing to abandon ship. And that, ladies and gentlemen, the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.